I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Belly Yummy. Belly Yummy takes pride in their mouth-watering crispy lechon belly that stays crispy for hours, and ang lamas wala kuno'y tihik-tihik. Di unahon gyuday na tong panit kung crispy ba o naglaway sa gyudayon ko. Okay? And wow, yeah, nadyo garlic na tangtang gyudayon, so grabe gyud ang lamas. And tilawan sa din natong unod be. And let's transfer it para nindot inig photo na to anang sauce, grabe ha. Wow. It is really crispy, so yes, perfect kayo ni for my birthday. And juicy kayo ang sulod. So, si dalamas, wow, grabe ka daghan oy. And daghan kaayo garlic, which I really like. You can have this boneless lechon belly delivered at your homes for 1,500 pesos only for 2 kilos, 2,300 for 4 kilos, 3,000 for 6 kilos, and you can also have an additional kilo for 500 pesos only. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Belly Yummy in Facebook and in Instagram, and they are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And they also have a spicy variant for this. And ako ging-flex ang lamas because if you have noticed, lamas palang murag pwede na gyud isudan. Mao na ta guys. Hagpok jud kaayo siya. And mo ni klaro to slubuwa ang puso atong ituslob sa sauce oy kay murag lami jud kayo ang sauce pa lang sa daan. And the panit, seriously crispy jud kayo siya considering ganina pa ni siya gihatod. And now let's try the meat. Okay. And it is really so tasty. I would assume kung nani kadagan ang lamas, for sure nunot jud kaayo to the meat. Also mo nang lami sa kaayo gyud ang atuang meat. Murag makadagham gyud tag puso or rice anida kay seryoso with their type of lechon belly nga daghan og sauce and lamas, murag manginahanglan jud kag daghan kaayo nga rice. And ako lang ni akong flex aning craving sa kaning inani nga part sa lechon belly. Kasi gusto gingon ani pod guys. Ay bitaw, or just a reminder, please don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye!